you videoing me?
Yep.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, you are.
Go up a different way.
Alright. We believe in you. Doing real good, man. I think you've got a real promise in a future career in rock climbing. I'm thinking Everest. Just like that. It's never gonna happen.
Not enough foothold. Whoa! You tried it!
I don't think it would work, that's why I'm not trying it.
Dude, if there was one more foothold, I could do it.
Okay,
isn't.
just make
There's
one.
a flat there.
Eric got a good point. Make one.
What are you guys laughing at?
You look a retard.
I do climbing with my dad all the time.
It shows. You've gotten nowhere.
By the way, your left foot, some good footing.
Still no foothold.
Nice, bro.
It's real constructive.
Looking real good, man.
Okay, let's say you fell and you started rolling backwards. Would you mind if I just filmed it instead of helping you right away?
That'd be really funny. Let me tell you. Keep at it, you'll get there.
Thanks, Philip.
No problem, bro. That's what I'm here for. I was up there for Eric, and I'm down here for you. And I plan on doing either of them myself. Except what Eric did, eventually.
Alright. Not working.
Kurt, try right there.
I did.
No, over to the left a little bit of it.
Here?
Yeah. There's a big one up further. See that huge foothold up there?
That?
No. It's like up a little further. Just try it.
This one?
Yep. No idea. Pointed at. Oh. Ow.
Wish it was less daunting of a fall.
It's not that bad. Jeez, I can't get my balance. There we go. Oh, I just stomped my goggles.
Very nice.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, broskies. Can I put this in there?
Yeah, if you want. Hold on.
I'll put this.
Hopefully nothing cool happens.
I'll
No,
put
no,
it.
he's up. He's going up.
Up and away.
You're stuck again.